Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with the very latest on any weather concerns we may have across the ArkLaTex here during the next week to 10 days. And our first immediate concern will be the possibility of some tropical development close to the northern Gulf of, say, Gulf Coast here. You can see the National Hurricane Center does have still a medium chance, 40% chance that this system will develop into a depression. The thing that's inhibiting it is its proximity to the coast. You can see the track of its center, according to some of the tropical models. Now, this recurve here to the north and northeast now looks like it will occur more towards the east. As a result, the projections on rainfall in the ArkLaTex have gone down just a bit. You can see the latest from the Weather Prediction Center showing 1/4 of an inch basically from Shreveport and points southward, 1/4 of an inch or less, I should add. Notice the amounts will be heavier, a good inch or two possible down towards Manny and Natchitoches, where the rain will be more persistent and perhaps at times a bit heavier. Looking at the various models and how they depict rainfall potential, notice not much north, and notice pretty good agreement on that 1 to 2 inches in Natchitoches here, with pretty much all of this rain happening on Friday and Saturday. It looks doubtful that we'll see much as far as rain next week, as we will see this impulse here gradually move to the west, and we'll see upper level high pressure build back over the middle of the country here heading into the end of the weekend. You can see the center of the ridge basically right over just to the north of the ArkLaTex over the middle part of the U.S., and it's going to persist as we go through next week, and actually could intensify with a small chance for maybe a little bit of rain returning by next weekend. So doesn't look like a whole lot as far as rain. So as far as our weather worries, I would put it at a level of 2 out of 10. Yesterday I had it at 3 as the models were trending more westward with that curve that is expected to take place with that tropical system. Now it looks like it's going to happen further to the east, which means we will probably get less rain. So 2 out of 10 on the weather worry index for today. Next week our main concern is going to be the heat, as temperatures will be close to 100 with the heat index perhaps possibly approaching 110 at times. You can see the 10-day forecast shows the good chance for the showers and thunderstorms Friday and Saturday. I might add that severe weather is looking highly unlikely, and then we will be dry and hot next week with highs close to 100 and overnight lows warming back up into the upper 70s.